Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and today we are going to be giving my hair a haircut. We are going to be following along to Brad Mondos' butterfly cut that he put on his channel yesterday. So if you haven't already, then please subscribe. That would be great. And we are just going to get straight into it. I have previously given my hair a wolf cut. I've done that a while ago, and I hate going to the hairdressers, so to be able to do my hair at home by myself is always a good thing. Last time I went to the hairdresser was probably about 4 years ago. I have like all of this hair and it's long and it's red and I already have layers all in it, as you can see. So yeah, I'm not quite sure how this is gonna go, but let's give it our best shot. Brad Mondo, if you mess up my hair, then you know what, guess what, it's fine because it's only hair and it will grow back. Okay, let's see what Brad has in store for us.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello, beautiful.
Wolf cuts are out and butterfly cuts are in. Maybe they can...
Right, so wolf cuts are out. That's rude. So as I said earlier on, I did do a wolf cut on my hair quite a while ago. My hair's got some wave to it, as you can see.
So basically, this haircut is going to give you a lot of face trimming layers.
I like the wolf cut because I like the shagginess of the wolf cut. The butterfly cut to me looks more like the Rachel. So I mean, the one thing that I found about doing the wolf cut is I had quite long hair, but I find that like from here it kind of looks a little, let me turn around and show you, it looks a little bit too wispy, do you know what I mean? Like a little bit thin.
Hello, Miss Manny Quinn.
Miss Manny Quinn.
Look stunning.
You do look stunning.
Today. What you're gonna need in order to do this little butterfly cut project, baby, is a few things. The first thing is wet hair. Yes, that means you watching, trying to do this haircut, you also need to wet your hair. You are not exempt from that rule.
Okay, let's do the first thing. Wet our hair. Because I don't want to fail at the very first hurdle. Hi! Yay! Right, I'm wet. My hair is wet for Brad Mondo. Oh, it's cold on my back. Let's get on to the next bit.
The supplies you're gonna need. A comb. Why am I using a white one on a white
comb.
one?
I've got a couple. Combs.
Scissors. Hair cutting scissors would be best. Just get something that'll actually cut your hair.
Scissors.
You probably have these. Hopefully.
And
you're gonna use
bobby
both of them.
pins.
That's great.
Okay.
Awesome.
We have what we need. Let me comb my hair. I've got a mirror just here, so I made a tea of courage. Okay, come on, guardian hair angel Brad, let's do the next stage.
We're going to comb all the hair forward from the apex, so gorgeous.
Okay, combing all the hair from the apex, that is the top of your head, all the way down to behind your ears. This is when I screw up completely, right? I don't know, here to behind my ears. Let's just roughly do it, shall we? I feel that I need another mirror or another pair of eyes. How do I see if that's even level? I'm putting this bit out of the way.
But you're doing great so far.
Thank you.
We're going to go from the apex to behind the ear. Gorgeous. And that, ladies and gents, and everything in between, that is our first section.
I've done the first section.
And I am going to use my small teeth on the comb, and I'm going to make this all nice and flat to the head. I'm pulling everything now to the middle of the brows.
We're pulling everything to the middle of the brows. Okay, so I did something really stupid. My sideburns. So you see the oh, look at this. curly bit. Yeah, you see this. So I had an idea and I shaved my sideburns off, and now they are wispy and hideous, and I can't do anything with them, and I wish that I never did that. Okay, middle. Oh, wet hair in the base.
You do want to look like a unicorn.
This is a look amazing. Come on, Brad, don't leave me like this for too long.
And then on the back, here, flex your arms. You gotta do some push-ups before you do this, because you gotta lift the hair right up. Grab the hair, and we're gonna do a really high pony.
Okay, so the back bit needs to be combed to the top. Don't I just flip my hair over? That might not be the greatest way. Gosh, ow. Is that high enough? I can't get it much higher.
That is our section, baby girl. This is what you should look like. Half unicorn, half pony. Kind of vibing.
That actually did really ache my arm.
Continuing that line. Not like this. That's very important.
Good measures. Wait a minute, am I just cutting?
I do see so many times
How much
people
is he
will just give
cutting?
themselves a trim with these, like this. That's not enough hair. What you have to do is you have to cut off a significant amount of hair to see this haircut really come to life. So she's going to get a significant amount of hair off because she wants it. I'm going to cut off this much
angle
more.
it.
All right, that's like 2,
Just keep it
3
going
inches.
the same direction that it is. Oh my lord. Okay, right, I'm looking in my mirror. Okay, so I don't know, there. Shall we go there? Is that too less? Is that too less? We're going here. We're going here.
Yeah, baby. The first cut has been accomplished. We did it. We did that together.
We've gone there. Okay. That is very... That's not straight. Should I now be worried that I didn't cut that straight? It looks quite straight there though, doesn't it? Oh, flipping heck. Okay. Okay, I need a moment. Is he not gonna do the little, you know, shall I do it? Shall I just do the little snippety snip snips? Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Bradley. Yes, I'm calling you Bradley now. You've scared me a little bit. What is next?
Next, we are going to try to cut off the same amount of hair. Instead of going all the way up, we are going to bring this one a little bit forward. And this one, I am going to cut off the same amount of hair.
So, I think that I need to go and dampen my hair again because it's drying out, and then we're going to direct it that way. Okay, so he said, I need to sit back a little bit, I'm not in. So he said to keep the hair directing in that direction. You can see me again. Okay, so he said keep the hair directing and cut about the same amount off. That much? Is that about the same? Oh God. Oh God. I can't see. I don't want to look up. Oh gosh. I don't think that's going straight.
Woo!
We have hair cut off. We have hair in the eye. I'm not 100% sure that I cut enough off.
Down. We're gonna see what's going on. If I don't like it, we can do more. You know, I will show you in real time. If I don't like it, oh, I like it. Oh, this is enough layering for me. You will see how much more dramatic, in my opinion, this cut is than the wolf cut. Do you see how short? You don't see anything. Well, you will see it when I'm dry. But her layers go up to about here.
So you remember earlier it was down here? Now it's definitely not down there. Can I take this front bit off? I look like an idiot.
Let this go and let's see those face-filling layers.
Okay, the front's coming down.
Look at this. That's what we want. Parting
Is
in
there
the
layers?
middle or wherever you part your hair.
Oh,
Let's
God.
get that
Oh, my
in
gosh.
There. Fierce.
There's
This
layers!
haircut gives-
I'd have it really scruffy like this. Very shaggy. Okay, Brad. Have I done well? We're parting in the middle. What is it? You always get one, don't you?
See how this in the front
don't
is
see.
a
I don't see
bit
that.
shorter than
I
the
don't see
layering
it.
in the back, and we have this kind
I
of
don't-
like. We're just gonna subtly get rid of that.
We're-
Just gonna
we're
put
on
in
to
some force
styling.
heat shield to style our hair,
Oh,
and then we're
I
gonna put in
have
some
some
salty sea
heat
salt spray because this is just
protection,
my
which
go-to.
I've just sprayed on my hair. I don't have the salty sea spray. We are going to give this a blowout, and I will be using this to do my drying of my hair because I don't have a round brush and a hairdryer. Well, I do have a hairdryer. Let's see if this works. I've done like the halo-y thing that he said, and I will be right back. 3, 2, 1.
Girl, this shit's fine as hell.
Yes. So, I've gone for big hair and I love it. Yeah. So, thank you. Thank you, Brad Mondo, for, I don't know whether this is the butterfly. I mean, obviously, if I was going to straighten it, I would straighten it and it would come down like the old Rachel. But I've gone for the other way, given it some bigness. He does go on, obviously, to say that he used some thinning shears. I don't have any thinning shears, but I don't want it to be any thinner. I did put a little bit of oil, just a teeny tiny bit of oil in my hair, and that was about it. I'd quite like to put some curls in it and see what that looks like. If you tried this as well, then tag it below because I want to see how yours turned out. And yeah, we look forward to the next one, Brad. Bye!